In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import layouts from one AutoCAD drawing to another. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply need to reuse specific layouts, this process can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort. So let's dive in and make it as straightforward as possible. First, cast your eyes towards the bottom of your AutoCAD interface, where you'll find the Layout tabs. These are the tabs that typically contain your sheets or paper space layouts. Right-click in that area. You'll notice an option that reads From Template appears. Click on this and it will open up a new window for you. Finding the right command is essential as it leads you to the next steps seamlessly. Now, as you're looking at this new window, your task is to locate the File Type drop-down menu. It's crucial here to ensure you've selected the correct type, which, for most of us, is going to be DWG, as it pertains to standard AutoCAD drawing files. By choosing DWG, you're telling AutoCAD that you want to import layouts directly from another drawing file, ensuring compatibility and preventing unnecessary complications. Once you have selected DWG as your file type, navigate through your folders to find the drawing file from which you'd like to import layouts. This part involves browsing through your directory, so make sure you remember where you saved your existing drawing file. Selecting the correct file is followed by just a click to open it, allowing the process to flow smoothly. At this point, you've arrived at an important juncture. You'll see a list of layouts that exist within that particular drawing file. This part of the process is simple but pivotal. You should see each available layout neatly listed, giving you the liberty to choose exactly which layouts you want to import. Typically, there will be checkboxes or a similar selection method. Feel free to select one, multiple, or even all of the layouts, depending on your needs. Remember, this is your chance to tailor what you bring into your current project, ensuring you only import the content necessary for your tasks. And just like that, you'll see your chosen layouts appear in your current AutoCAD session. This method is incredibly handy when working on large projects or collaborating with others, as it allows you to effectively manage layouts across different files. By mastering this straightforward process, you'll find you can streamline your workflows, reduce redundancy, and maintain consistency across your designs. Thank you so much for following along. I hope this guide was helpful and empowers you to manage your AutoCAD layouts with ease. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your AutoCAD skills.